guys, today we're gonna good night lighting ko guys ha. Nakikita nyo naman, kita na yung mukha ko. Kasi pa kasi yung ilaw. Kasi, I have a good news guys. I got science ready. This is my first science movie. You know, really? Because I just get little science. Okay? And tomorrow is the bestest day ever. Cause I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. It's happened. Okay, here's the story. I'm my classmate, like very rich classmate, and I'm her number one bestest friend. And actually cousins her in school. My classmate kasi in school she said Tasha, will you come in my party in the Dr. Guterres private school? Oh my god, is that true? I love in Dr. Guterres school. She said, yeah, do you want to come? I said, yeah, if my mom and dad let me go in with you. And one day, I said, I'm gonna go with Aya and Dana. We're having a swimming day. Can you please? She said, no. That is in the Monday. Interesting. I said, Mom and Aya from in my house and in here. She said, Tita, can you please? I said, okay, fine. And when I go home, my mom said, you will never go in there in that swim. I said, but why? Kanina lang sinabi mo yes na yes eh. Sabi ko, para maniwala si Aya. Sabi ko, ba't mo ito mo? Chart. Just the best actually. And one day, I got my Lola's phone, which is iPhone. I said, okay na, kasi nawawa yung tao ko sa kanya. Wow, can I borrow your cell phone? Because I checked my daddy said, Daddy, can you go with Aya and we have so many? We have a pool party, can we? She said, yeah, sure, basta. Magkasama ka. But I said, but who? Tito Mark. And I said to Mark, can you bring me in Saturday? And sure, what time? It's 2:30. Can you please? She said, oh yeah, that's okay. This is the best family ever. So I'm gonna vlog. That's why I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm so excited. Bang! One time, bang! Bang! So here's my sounds guys. Sorry daw nakapag-video ko sa loobat. At 29% Pibig. Hintay ko pa yan. Here's my sound. Hindi siya nag-sticky. Stretchy kasi. Naganto siya nagpari. Yung nag-stupid kasi. Really stretchy siya. So Marcia sa video Aya, pa-culture nila. Sabi ko, ay, huwag nila ako sa isa. Please. I said, fine. So that's for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.